Salam olahraga. Semen Padang saat ini berada di zona papan bawah dan harus berjuang dengan ekstra keras keluar dari zona degradasi. Ada 8 sisa pertandingan lagi. Sanggupkah tim Urawa berjuang untuk survive di Liga 1? Ikuti wawancara eksklusif kami dengan pelatih kepala Semen Padang, Eduardo Almeyda.
Okay, so what happened is quite simple. If we focus on the result, I have to agree that the results on these two matches was not that we would like to be. But if we base it on the quality of these two games, I think with Madura is one of our best games. Unfortunately, we don't win, and the other game with the Persipura. Also, we make a game at we have chances to collect points, but we lost in the last minute. So, but the games was not so inconstant. The quality of the game, I think, was good. The result, yes, was inconstant, but also we have to see that we play with very good teams. Persipura now is on the top of the league. Madura was on the top of the league on that time. And we have to be realistic. Semen Padang is the team on the bottom. We cannot think that Semen Padang can win all the matches. No, I think we not change the game because we play home or play again. We see the games on the same way. In these two matches that we play home, we don't have the results, like I say, but we have the quality in the game, not the expected results. And it's only 2 games we don't win home, not 10. What happened before, I don't know, but with me it was 2 games. We win 1, we lost 2. And to be honest, the only home we can consider we play home here is because the fans are very, very good, and the crowd and all this make us feel home. But if we talk about the field or something like that, we don't training there. I give you an example. When we play with Madura,
Yes.
Madura training there 2 days, we only training 1 day. So who is playing home? So home is, yeah, because the good crowd and because the good fans and because we are playing in Padang. But in the reality of for the training or for the match, we make the same number of trainings when we play home, when we go play away. So they are Tonen, the other players. I don't consider that any player is like the player who decides the games. Who decides the game is the team. If we not concede goals, it's because all the team fight for that. If we score goals, it's because all the team fight for that. It's normal that the forwards score more goals and make more assists because it's this job. But we cannot consider that is Daddy Artono or any other player who is making the difference in the team. Who is making the difference is the team in total. What we can say is all the players
Have the same responsibility.
have the same responsibility. Science, they training and be professional. It's very important because many things we don't see. All the players have the chances when they are professional, they follow the instructions and they follow the teamwork.
Okay.
We go fight for collect 3 points. This is our, since I'm here, is our target, is collect points, maximum number of the points in the league. For say that, of course, in the moment we are with all the chances to stay in the league because mathematical is possible. So is what we're gonna do. We think game by game, and in the end of the league we see what happened. What I know is in the moment we are more near than when I arrive here. When I arrive here, we are 7 points for the first to survive, and now we recover a lot of points. After yesterday game, we are on 4 points for the survival, but 4 points is possible to recover in 8 matches. So I think game by game. I don't think in the possibilities. The possibilities are based in the game. If we win, we have chances. If we lose, we are out. one more match. Like I say, it's one more match. It's one more match that we play. It's one more match that we have to fight for collective 3 points. I think game by game, match by match, we prepare the match, and we hope that the players and the coaches and everyone understand. And this is always we see the opponent. This is a process, a normal process, not because we play precision. We try to adjust to them. We try to close the strongest point. Of course, we cannot close all, but we try to see what is the most dangerous. And offensive, we do our job. So it's the way of work is the same from Persija or any other team. No make difference. If I know, I can consider, even I already speak a little with him. Me also know Maulana before I arrived Semenpadang. I know Maulana is a lot of potential. He's a very good player. Unfortunately, when in these last games, is not maybe arriving the expectation that everyone have for him. It's true, I have to consider. So we are, and also he have small injuries. People don't know that he have small injuries, and always he try to give his best inside also with the injuries. So I have to consider also this. But of course, a player with the quality of Maulana, he can come back at any time and show his real potential. Unfortunately for me also, and for Padang, the things are not going well for himself, and also I think he know it. We expect that he recover. I don't know, maybe the confidence. I think it's only about confidence, but they have to be himself to win this confidence. Because for my part, he have total confidence, because I know he have quality. He's a good player, so no problem with him. But also the injuries are not helping. But of course, I trust him 100%, like almost like all the players. Always we expect that the fans follow us, like always. They always are supporting us home and away. I'm very happy, and I see the crowd is amazing. The fans are amazing. All the places they follow us. So it's what we would like is to keep them see us, and I see them help us even in the bad moments when we lost. They never lose the hope, and they are together in the team. So this is very important for us. So I hope they still like that, because this is a game we are doing. I can tell you that we are doing the most professional job possible inside all our possibilities. So we are doing all the best every training, every match. So, but this is soccer. Sometimes win, sometimes lose. So, but at least I know from my part, I sleep every day good, because I know that I'm together with the players. We are very hard. We are trying very hard to stay in the league.
Good luck.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.